Good morning guys and welcome to Less Pedaling. This morning I'm off to Blandford. I'm going to do something a little bit different this morning, try and utilise the new equipment I've got to try and practice a bit more with the drone and get used to everything in order to be ready for next week's trip to Spain. So we are off to Barcelona again on Thursday this week, and we are test riding the bikes on the Friday, so that's really exciting. I've got somebody coming with me as well, which is the first time for me. So from the point of view of footage and what we're able to do, it's really exciting. So really looking forward to that. So this is just a little demo day, really, just to try and get used to all the new equipment and trying to make it work the best so we can get some cracking looking videos. So I will see you out on the bike and yeah, see you soon. Okay, so this is the bit where I'll say properly good morning. So I am cycling to Blandford this morning. Hopefully I'm going to meet up with Des later, but he's been a bit of a lazy bugger this morning. Claims he's had to walk the dog, but I'm not sure. I think he's just had a lie-in. But anyway, so now talking to you at the moment via my Hero 12 and with the DJI wireless microphone. So this is the first time I've had it all connected. I did in the end, despite whinging about it, I did in the end purchase the media mod, because you kind of can't get away from it, and I spent an awful lot of money on stuff. So yeah, basically, so what I'm going to do is go up zigzag. I'm not going to video that because I've done it hundreds of times. Up zigzag and then on to Blandford, and then when I get to Blandford I'm going to jump on the Trailway, which I have done before, but I'm not sure I've done a video of it. I don't think I have. But the big difference is I've done it on this bike. I did have some sort of gravel tyres on this bike at one stage. So I did go on it was a lot better weather than it is today. So it may well be, I've only got road tyres on. May well be a massive mistake. Sun's just cracking through, it's gorgeous. A double camera job, this one, look at that. Gorgeous. We're just right up the top now. I just had to show you because it's just one of the best mornings. Absolutely stunning. Dorset at its finest. It's cold, mate, bloody freezing, but it looks nice. So yeah, I'm just at the top of zigzag and making my way to Blandford, but because the weather's nice, I did say I wasn't going to do any videoing, but we don't get days like this very often in the UK. So as we reach the top of the top, I'll be turning off right and heading towards Compton Abbas Airfield, which is an establishment, one of a few in this area that's owned by a certain Mr. Guy Ritchie, famous director and Madonna's ex-husband, whatnot. But he's, yeah, pretty prevalent in this area. He loves it here, and he seems to want to buy everything. But anyway, I'm not knocking it at all, because what he does do, he does well. You know, everything, it's all been improved. He doesn't sort of come in and knock everything down, and it does seem to be, you know, for the common good, as they say. But yeah, so I'll show you that when we get there. I think I've probably done it before, but it's just a little airfield that he's bought. I think it's going to get bigger. Anyway, my reason for mentioning it is that up here, obviously, if you thought it might be a good area to do a little bit of drone footage, which you're right, you can't, because the airfield's just over there and there's a 2.5 kilometre limit. So I don't know, hopefully you can see it. I don't know if you can see the mist. Just incredible. That's a beautiful shot. Let's put this one on as well. So yeah, morning. Yeah, so maybe a car coming in a sec, I think. So yeah, it's absolutely beautiful here this morning. And I had to stop for that. Right, let's crack on. So as promised, on the right hand side here now is Compton Abbas Airfield, which is Mr. Ritchie's. But I mean, to be honest, they've spent, I don't know how much, an awful lot of money, put it that way, doing it up. And it does look gorgeous now. It's not a cheap pint, mind you, but he does have his own brewery, Ritchie beer, which you'll see in all his films. Product placement is amazing, especially in The Gentleman, if you've ever seen that film. Yeah, Ritchie beer in all the pubs, as you'd expect. This is Blandford. It's nice. So didn't really need to come down here, but always tend to if we're here. Just quite nice to cycle through. It's a bit of a market this morning. Need a hat. Morning, can I just squeeze by? That's alright. Thank you. Cheers. Okay, so this is the Blandford Trailway. This goes all the way to Sturminster, so I'm hoping I'll be able to get the little drone out. Hello. Morning. Thank you. So a lot of this was, I'm kind of winging it a little bit, but a lot of it was based on the old railway line. I'm not really sure how far it is. It's got to be 5 or 6 miles, I think. It's good, I like it. It gets a bit more tricky than this in places, especially with the weather we've been having. So, there we go, this is nice. The Yakko country here, I'm not going to do it. That's his thing. On it. So I'm hoping also that I can whip the drone out at some stage. Not here obviously, because it's a bit low on the old branches. So it's coming. This will be interesting. Okay, so it's getting a little more tricky now. We'll keep going. Morning. Just coming up into Shaftesbury now, so just as a little, before I'm out of breath, because it's a big hill this one, even with an e-bike, just a little heads up, Thursday we're off to Barcelona again, testing out, I'm going to say it now, testing all, I've got 2 all-bear rises that we're testing. My friend Phil is coming with me, and so hopefully with all the cameras and everything, should have some amazing footage. Cameras and drones and whatnot should be good. Oh, this is the worst bit here. Next video I do will be next week, which will be all about mountain bikes. So if you're looking at this on the All Bear Game Owners Club, please go to my YouTube channel and like and subscribe, then you get to see all the videos, because not all of them are All Bear Game related, and therefore they don't get promoted on my page. So yeah, if you like and subscribe, you'll be able to get all of them. I should have done this before I was going up a massive hill. I'll do it at the top. I can barely speak. So yeah, as I was saying before, yeah, just please like and subscribe. and especially if you're looking at this from the Albay Again Electric Owners Club, obviously, as I've said already, the videos don't all come up on there if they're not Albay Again related. So if you like and subscribe on the YouTube channel, you get to see all the videos I do. Yeah, so that would be really great. And obviously the Barcelona one's going to be amazing with 2 of us. We've got 2 cameras. We're both mic'd up as well, so it would be really, really good, I promise. So it'll be well worth coming to visit and come and have a look and tell your friends and all that gubbins. So if you do like our videos, just like and subscribe, please. And I will see you next time. Take care.